Yes, me dear, you make it to the class. I'm so happy that you is here. But here what? You never bring no coconut water, no chips, no cookies, no chicken and chips, no buster, not even bag juice, my love. Or little water, cause sometimes with throat get dry, babes. I draw me a make, darling. But for everybody that wants to be able to find all of the course material for Jamaican Patwa 101, here is the playlist right up here at the top. When you go to my page, it's the first playlist, and you'll be able to get all of the videos there. Now, I'm going to show you 3 ways of how to say goodbye in Jamaican Patwa. First way, later. You're going to hear Jamaicans use this a lot. Later. Here is it in a sentence. Me a cut, Me a go check you later. Hear that? Me a cut, Me a check you later. Or them can just get up and tell you, say, here what, later. You see me? Next one, no. Me a take with myself. Hear that? Me a take with myself. Say it with me now. Me a take with myself. You can use it in this instance. Time I run down by me, Me I take with myself. Hear that? Time I run down by me, Me I take with myself. That literally means it is getting late, so I am going home. I am going to leave. It is getting late and I am going to leave. And the last one, me I shub out, little more. Hear that? Little more. Use it in a sentence now. Me I shub out, little more. You will hear Jamaicans use this one a lot as well. Little more. Me a shub out, little more. And this simply means I am getting ready to leave later. I will see you later. See what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to leave and I will see you later. All right? Me a shub out, little more. All right, so make us say all 3 of them now. Little more. Mm-hmm. Little more. You notice that the 2 T's are a K, and that is because this is how we pronounce it in a Jamaican patois. This is the context I need you guys to understand. Little more. You see what I say? Next one. Me I take away myself. Hear that? Me I take away myself. And then last one now. Later. Hear that? Me I cut. Later. You see me? Say it with me now. Later. Me I cut. Later. Little more. Me I take with myself. Yeah, man, you catch it. You catch it. Good job, good job. Big up yourself, darling. Make sure you like, share, comment. All right, follow and save it, repost it, and share it, everybody. And stay tuned for the next class. Why? Because you are awesome, babes. Later on.